I was trying to wait until I got this Christmas card gift build finished before I did my little report on this, what transpired. But this new issue, relatively new issue, Revell-ish reissue of this Monogram kit is a piece of junk compared to the original Monogram kit. To start off with, here is the new Revell. This is actually been issued since it has an original copyright date of 1994, but it's under Revell Monogram. It was because of the damn Binney and Smith forced merger of Revell and Monogram. And also, it's when it started to be built, or, manufactured in China. This is the original late 1970s issue of the Monogram. Original Monogram 55 Ford, which was a good kit. And right here, I'm just showing you some obvious stuff. Check out the hood. It fits perfectly. Here's the hood of the Chinese-made one. Look, obviously, it's wider at the back than the front of the cab. And not only that, it's shorter. It doesn't... Here's the hood of the original Monogram kit. This is a junkyard rebuilder, so it doesn't have all the parts. But it fits perfect. And the bed did not fit together properly. The parts, the tailgate's too wide, and this front wall is even wider. Here is how much this is actually what I cut off of the front wall to get it to fit. That much plastic. Now we'll look at the copyrights. This one, wow, maybe you can't. This one says the initials for Revell Monogram Models Limited Liability Company, 1994, China. This one has the original 1970s style Monogram Models Incorporated copyright. One other thing is the new Revell Monogram issue. It still comes with the 3 2-barrel carburetor setup. I don't know. Those look more like 4 barrels, but pretty wide bases there. And it has the chrome carburetors for this setup. But I discovered after putting this on, the new 55 Ford does not come with the air cleaner setup for it. It only comes with the stuff that they updated, which is basically the more modern air induction system for fuel injection, for a modern fuel injection system, which is not what I want. I didn't look at the instructions. I just saw the parts. I'd rather have the old carburetor set up. And then when I got to, I was like, oh crap. So I'm going to have to, as a field expediency, I'm going to have to rip off a Mopar 6-pack air cleaner housing is what I'll do. Now for a trip back in time to 1978 when Monogram first issued the 55 Ford. New for 1978, the 55 Ford pickup. And as I said, with that that junkyard rebuilder kit I have, the parts fit perfect. There is no freaking problem. I only showed you the major, what I consider major problems with it. Ooh, and of course, this 55, 1978 issue 55 Ford pickup, 24 scale from Monogram, was based on their earlier issued 55 Ford panel. And, you know, this is just more proof to me that just because companies merge, it doesn't mean it's a good thing. They made these kits worse. Anyway, I was getting so frustrated. I just had to blow off some steam. I had heard of I have seen the other videos of other people building this kit, building the one that has been issued since 1994. Man, you watch some of the other videos of people talking about how they got problems. Like some people have warped bodies or warped chassis or what's going on over there in China? It's a conspiracy. They're out to get us, model. They're out to get us. To get us. Ooh.